Right, so today I'm going to be making pepper sauce. This is a Trinbagonian staple found in most homes. Starting by adding some red Scotch Bonnet peppers. Why red? Because that tells me two things. One, the color tells me that the peppers are ripe, which means they are at their hottest. And two, I like the color red because it gives the end product a better color when compared to like green hot peppers or yellow and green or a combination of all three. Next, I'm adding some red pimentos. Same reason, they're added whole. The reason for that is because the seeds and the white membrane on the inside is where most of the flavor is held. Next, I'm adding some carrots. The reason for this is for some added sweetness as well as the nutrients in carrots. After that, I'm adding some Chadon Beni. I mean, it can't come from Trinidad unless it has Chadon Beni in it. After that, I'm adding in some garlic. This will add depth and complexity while helping to balance the sweetness of the carrots. Next, I'm adding in some freshly ground ginger. Ginger also adds depth, a bit of spice and earthiness to the sauce. And last, well, sorry, not last. Next, I'm adding in some salt. Salt enhances all the flavors and will help to bring the pepper sauce to life. For my two liquids, I'm adding vinegar. Vinegar helps to preserve the pepper sauce as well as add a bit of acidity. If you don't want to use vinegar, you could substitute it with lemon juice, but just use half of the amount of the vinegar. And lastly, I'm adding water. This will help me achieve my desired thickness. For this pepper sauce, I'm aiming for a smooth, thick consistency. Some people prefer it chunkier, and that's perfectly fine, but I just prefer it a little smoother. So I'm gonna blend this on medium speed until I reach my desired consistency. Right, so as you can see, the pepper sauce is nice and smooth. Not too thick, not too watery. But again, if you want it a bit chunkier, you just blend it for less, puree it for a little less. It's really up to you. So here we have our nice pepper sauce.